In this lecture, I am going to calculate the packing fraction of FCC unit cell. The formula for the packing fraction is the volume of the atoms per unit cell divided by volume of the unit cell. Okay. So to calculate the volume of the atoms per unit cell, we first need to calculate the number of effective atoms present in this FCC unit cell. We know that in FCC, atoms are present at the corner. So there are the 8 atoms at the corner. And there are 6 atoms at the face centers. So the position of atoms are at the corner and face center. And we know that the contribution of the corner atom inside the unit cell is 1 by 8th part of that. So it will be 8 into 1 by 8 plus the contribution of the face center atom is half. So it will be 6 into half, that is 3, and this is equal to 1. So effective number of atom is 4, that is Z. So effective number of atom that is present inside the FCC unit cell is 4. Now, the volume of the 4 atom will be 4 into volume of 1 atom, and the volume of 1 atom is what? 4 by 3 pi r cube. Because the atoms are spherical, so it will be 4 by 3 pi r cube, where r is the radius of the atom. Now, volume of the unit cell, it means the edge length, because it's a cube, so we can say cube volume will be, AQ, that is the whole cube of the edge length. So it is AQ. Now, we know that in FCC, the corner atoms and face center atom touches each other. So they are touching. So if we see this face diagonal, length will be 4r, that is r plus 2r plus r. And this is the edge length, and this will be right angle triangle. So we can say that the hypotenuse, that is equal to 4r. So hypotenuse square will be equal to side square plus side square. That is perpendicular square plus base square equal to hypotenuse square. And from that we'll get the relation between edge length and radius, that is a equal to root 8r, that is 2 root 2r. Now we can put the value of a as root 8r, and we will solve this. Okay. After solving, we are getting this expression finally. I will put the value, that is pi is 3.14 or 22 by 7, and root 3 value is 1.414. If we put that, we'll solve, we are getting 0.74. It means 74% of the volume inside this FCC unit cell is occupied, whereas 26% is unoccupied, that is void. So percentage void in this FCC unit cell is 26%, and packing fraction, that is the percentage of the volume that is occupied inside that unit cell, is 24%. Thank you.